Okay. Oh, I also didn't put a freaking rubber dealie on my brakes. Ouch. All right, we are going to the skate park. We are meeting up here. I don't see any Surron characters. Oh, maybe over there. Oh yeah. What's up, dude? Hey, that girl loved that. What's up, y'all? We outside with the Denver guys, the Denver Surron guys. Sheesh, yo. Bad start. Not impressed. That couple was not impressed by that. That's more like it. Hey guys, just wanted to take a quick second to thank today's sponsor, Bosch Snorp.
Bosk Snorp.
Thank you, Bosch Snorp, for sending me this 2-pack of AirTags. These use the same network that Apple AirTags use, but they are half the price. You can put these anywhere. You can put them in your backpack, you can put them on your keys like I did, you can put them in your cheating wife's purse and figure out where she's going every Thursday night, because I know you're not hanging out with Cheyenne because I talked to her husband. So where you been? You can put them in your bus, which is, like, I'm happy with it. I'm totally happy with my choice. Absolutely love my bus. Not hot at all in there. And also, if you lose your phone, you can click this little button right here to find your phone. I'm not going to do it now because I know where my phone is. It's in my hand. So if you lose your keys, you use your phone to find your keys. And if you lose your phone, you use your keys to find your phone. Isn't that great? They are $24.99 for a 2-pack, where an Apple AirTag is $28 for one. So check them out in the link down below. Tell them Dylan sent you, even though they'll know. They'll know if you use that link. So thank you for supporting Loophole Culture Underground. Enjoy the rest of the vlog. All right, clean, boring interior, cool car though. What is that, brother? Ew.
Making me want to try that.
It's gonna rain. Brother, ew. Ew, brother, what's that? Oh, pump track. Ooh. Moist. That was a bit moist. Did not think it was going to rain. It looked so pretty earlier. I might bail on these guys if I can find out where the fuck my bus even is. Get a real Bentley.
What's up? It's Surrons and you're watching Dylan's channel.
Be safe, y'all.
See y'all, dudes.
We're trying to figure out if
Follow me?
Yeah.
Alright, we're dipping. We're dipping because we're huge pussies, but I mean, this is freezing. Dude, that's crazy that this is... Hey, look at that guy, Dave. You know that guy? Is that your buddy?
That's box truck Steve.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You box truck losers all know each other. Ew, brother. Brother, ew.
Oh.
What?
That's supercharged.
A supercharged motorcycle?
Yeah.
That's gonna be the vlog, guys. Denver squad is outside. Heavily outside. Huge shout out to my patrons. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. To all my viewers, click that subscribe button if you're not already a member. Hit that notification bell so you're up. Whoa! I almost just lost it because of God. Hit that notification bell so you're informed every time I post a new video. Keep loophole culture underground. Good enough isn't. Support your local loophole. Get after it. Peace.
Dylan, he is, I think his brain is getting fried because he's van life